ए प्रणय भाई कैसा है ब्रो। का न्यूयॉर्क बैंगलोर कहाँ है तू, है
Oh,
कहाँ तू?
okay, dude, I'm happy to see
कैसा
you.
है भाई, मजे में भाई?
मजे में हूँ
क्या
भाई
चल
आज।
रहा है? हैं?
भाई बात करने तो थे। Can we start the show? It's been months, bro.
बात
Time we
करना
talk.
पड़ेगा।
It's time we
यस
talk.
यस यस।
बहुत कुछ हो गया है, बहुत
ट्रू
कुछ हो
दैट ट्रू
गया है।
दैट, लेट्स स्टार्ट द शो, कम ऑन।
Ladies and gentlemen, what is up? Welcome back to the talk. I'm your host Praj Reddy, and with me, as always, my co-host Srijit Nair. What's up, brother? Seriously though, it has been a long time.
व्हाट्सअप बहुत टाइम हो गया, बहुत घंघोर। दूसरे टर्न पे आ गए हम लोग, दूसरे कोरोना
I
वेव पे
know.
आ गए। बहुत लंबा टाइम है, माय गॉड, इट्स
I
बीन वन
mean,
ईयर ब्रो, इट्स बीन वन ईयर।
exactly, and that is exactly why we thought, hey man, it's time we talk about this right now. Yes, coronavirus,
अगेन।
everybody's again, everybody's talking about it,
अगेन।
but the issue we want to focus on more, or rather more precisely, is do we even need a lockdown for this coronavirus pandemic right now? Because as you must have heard, all the states across India are pretty dicey on what to do. They have curfews in some places. In some cities in Chhattisgarh actually are in lockdown. So
हम्म।
now the whole nation is asking, should we go under lockdown or not? So you have your opinions. We have ours. Shrijit, what is yours, my friend?
लॉकडाउन होना चाहिए, ऑफ कोर्स होना चाहिए, क्यों
होना
नहीं
चाहिए।
भाई, क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए, होना ही
बस
चाहिए ना
वही
ब्रो।
ना।
बे क्योंकि यहाँ पे गुजरात में ब्रो, अपने पूरे इंडिया का तो सीन ऑफ कोर्स गंदा ही है। महाराष्ट्र महाराष्ट्र में सब तो फटी पड़ी है, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा। पर ब्रो अभी गुजरात का ही देखने लिए तो यहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल बेड्स बहुत कम पड़ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे अभी कुछ 4 to 5 days बैक सिविल हॉस्पिटल के वहाँ पे 20 to 23 एम्बुलेंसेस का लाइन था भाई, सिर्फ हॉस्पिटल के बाहर। लोगों को ऑक्सीजन टैंक लेके डिवाइडर के ऊपर बिठा के रखा था, बेड्स नहीं है अंदर, नीचे बैठने का तक जगह नहीं है भाई पेशेंट्स को। आई मीन सीरियसली, उन लोग ने अभी यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन लॉकडाउन उन लोग एक कर्फ्यू कर्फ्यू लगाने के 8 से लेके, पहले 10 बजे से लेके रात के 10 बजे से लेके 6 बजे तक था। फिर 1 घंटा और पीछे किया और 1 घंटा और पीछे किया, अभी 8 बजे से लेके 6 बजे तक। रियली मैन, पूरा दिन का तुम लोग मार्केट या इकोनॉमी बचाते 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 तुम लोग इतने लोगों का जान ले रहे हो ब्रो, कितने लोगों का। और ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग अभी लॉकडाउन नहीं करेंगे, इलेक्शंस चल रहे हैं। इट्स इनटू फोर, कभी भी गवर्नमेंट के लिए कुछ कर रहा है तो कोरोना नहीं होगा, भगवान के लिए कर रहा है तभी भी तो कोरोना तो नहीं होगा ब्रो, यू नो। बिकॉज
Acceptance,
अभी बस, हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स भगवान के लिए कर रहा है तो कोरोना कैसे होगा। कुंभ मेला चल रहा था, अभी मोदी ने बीच में, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पास में अभी ट्वीट किया कि जो स्नान होता है वो बंद किया जाए क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों का जान जा रहे हैं। अरे ब्रो, हैप्पी रियलाइजेशन भाई, 4 दिन के अंदर 1700 केसेस आए, 1700 केसेस। यहाँ पे शादी का लिमिट डाला है 50 से 100 जनों के लिए, वहां पे 10 लाख लोग हर दिन आते थे, हर दिन नहाने के लिए। नहाने के लिए भाई, इससे अच्छा आंख एक दूसरे के आंख के अंदर थूक दो तुम लोग। हैं कितना और कैसे का ला सकते हो तुम लोग कोरोना, मेरे को समझ है, नहाने से तो हो गया क्या
yes,
भाई।
I agree with you, dude. Like some of these things, like, see, I don't like to talk about religion that way, but you have to understand for the people out there, like, dude, like, you guys are literally putting yourselves in danger, and if not you, your own family in danger. Think about that right now. Both of us, I've heard cases that
Exactly.
we've been lucky that way, we haven't been affected ourselves, but
हम्म।
the people around us, we've seen people gone through this, and it's not something to be
दैट्स,
taken lightly.
मैं रिलीजन ऐसा कुछ के अगेंस्ट नहीं, पर एटलीस्ट ये टाइम पे भाई इतने लाखों में आना, मतलब पूरे वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा फेस्टिवल हो गया, पता है, कुंभ मेला। मतलब हो गया क्या है? और यहाँ पे एक एक दिन में 10-10 लाख लोग आ रहे हैं, मतलब तो सीरियसली, मतलब कोई मना करने, इसको कौन परमिशन कौन दे रहा, कौन है ये साइन करने वाला, कौन है ये सब चीज पे, मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा है। कौन ठप्पा लगा रहा है भाई ये सब चीज में? क्या लोग है भाई।
So, in your concluding statement, you're saying like to stop all this, you need to put a lock.
1 month would be enough bro, just to,
But
at least people should be scared about it, you know। they are they are seriously taking it lightly bro। मतलब
what
अलग
about
ही चल रहा है, उनको डर ही खत्म हो गया है इस बार, शायद क्या हो गया पता नहीं, सेकेंड वेव आ रहा है। लोग एक्चुअली फेटेलिटी रेट बहुत ज्यादा है, गुजरात का ही देखा जाए तो डेथ रेट बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है bro। हम लोग 6,000 cases per day हमारा 6 to 7,000 cases per day and 100 to 200 deaths per day. It's actually adding on too much deaths around, man. It's really scary. कोई डर ही नहीं रहा भाई. डरने के लिए एटलीस्ट लॉकडाउन डाल देना चाहिए. मेरा पॉइंट वो थूकना बंद करे कुछ भी.
See, I agree with you so far that yeah, people have, I personally think I've seen that people have lost that sight of like, okay, what it is we are facing right now. I think we lost touch in reality with the virus in and of itself, in the sense like, we're treating it like a common cold, which it obviously is not. It's been going on for more than a year. That means people should know that, hey, it's something serious. But when you enforce a lockdown, I personally don't think that's the right way to go. I'm not saying I'm right. I'm just saying this is my opinion. Because I think there are two ways to look at the situation. One is from the top view, whereas it's like there are so many number of cases, so many number of deaths, so much of population in our country. How do we prevent this from happening? Then you enforce lockdown because, as you know, and many people know right now that the country is facing vaccination shortages, and like even Delhi recently said that, which is baffling to me, that they don't have proper oxygen or enough oxygen rather for
भाई
taking
हॉस्पिटल के बाहर नहीं अंदर कहाँ से हुए.
exactly exactly.
धुआं खींच रहा ऑक्सीजन नहीं भाई.
So yeah, the logical conclusion does seem to be, have a lockdown. But think of it from an individual standpoint. People are saying in lockdowns only essential workers are, can work. What is essential workers? They're saying the hospitals, nurses. I agree with that. But for me, my job is my essential work. How do I put food on for my family, right? That 1 month, I'll just show you what happened in last year's lockdown. Now you're saying let's go for a lockdown for 1 month. We had a proper lockdown for only 2 months, if you remember last year. Then after that, it was like phases of like curfews and like
phases of unlocking.
Exactly.
Yeah. Different states according to different states.
Exactly. This is what happened from April to June, where there was a proper lockdown for 2 months last year. The GDP fell down by minus 23.9%. That is That is like historically low. Like
seriously low.
Exactly.
I know that.
and there's nothing, and there's no one to blame here. Like who do you blame? There's nothing to blame here. The government is doing what they're supposed to do to prevent the top cases, but the people will get affected, and we're still recovering from that, in terms of economy. Second, I would urge people to go and read this article on BBC. The link is down below if you want to go and check it out. It's about two brothers, migrant workers, talking about how difficult it was for them last year. And to put things in perspective, we are a population of approximately 1 billion. But migrant workers alone make up 450 million. That's 50% of our population right there. And in that, 60% of them fall under the category of migrant labor workers, which is what these people are affected last year. Those migrant stories you guys were hearing about, those were the section of people. It's come back to that number again because once the lockdowns were eased, these people came back to work. The contractors called them back. And they earn like 450, 500 rupees per day. And that to them is a lot of money, but even that is lost in how would they feed their families. Think about that for a second. And all of a sudden, they announce a lockdown or curfews. Where would these people go? How would these people go? Again, another mass exodus like last time is going to happen. And this time, the situation could be worse. And forget all this. Remember last year what happened after the lockdown? Cases started spiking. Now, I'm not saying having
unlock stages,
exactly. The unlock stage started spiking. They doubled in numbers, which is happening right now. In fact, which is what's happening for the past month and a half, where the cases have been spiking, and we've overtaken Brazil with the second or third most cumulative country in the whole world of cases. But if you put it in perspective, for our population, it's not that bad. But in terms of like preventing people from getting COVID, that is pretty bad. And on that vein, we also want to talk a little bit about vaccines. So obviously, my opinion was we should not go against lockdown. It was we should, because at least to put the fear in people's hearts. But that was not what happened last year. That's why I'm contesting against this. And putting another lockdown in our country would mean, again, economy would take a big hit. And forget the economy. Everybody from ground level.
I have an argument about that, but yeah, you continue.
Yeah, no.
Continue.
No, I was just going to finish my statement in the sense like
नहीं, मैं ऐसा बोल रहा था कि भाई जैसे कि पिछले बार के लॉकडाउन में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हुए, अनलॉक में भी
Mhm,
एज यू सेड केसेस बहुत बढ़ गए।
mhm.
पर ब्रो एक्चुअली वो एक्सपीरियंस ही हमारे लिए काफी नहीं है कि इस बार का लॉकडाउन, जैसे कि पिछले बार के लॉकडाउन में बहुत सारे कमेंट्स अपने ने बहुत हर जगह से सुनेंगे, बिल्कुल प्लान्ड नहीं था। 3 डेज के अंदर लॉकडाउन होने वाले थे, 3 डेज के अंदर कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन होने वाला था, ऐसा पता चला। इसके लिए माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स की फट गई, जितने लोगों ने जॉब छोड़ा उनकी फट गई, बहुत सारे लोगों को वर्क फ्रॉम होम दिया, बहुत सारे लोगों का जॉब खो दिया, ठीक है। बट
Right.
ब्रो वही था, वो एक अनप्लैंड लॉकडाउन था, कंप्लीटली प्रिपेयर्ड, बिल्कुल भी प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थे, कोई भी ना, गवर्नमेंट प्रिपेयर्ड थी ना ही लोग पब्लिक प्रिपेयर्ड थे। किसी को कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि कितने टाइम तक ये एक्सटेंड होगा, उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या होंगे, इकोनॉमिकली कितना गंदी तरह से इफेक्ट पड़ेगा। तो आई थिंक कि इस बार का लॉकडाउन प्लान्ड, परफेक्ट प्लान करने के लिए अभी टाइम है। अभी हम प्रिकॉशन ले सकते हैं किसके लिए क्या करना है। पिछली बार जैसे कि गवर्नमेंट ने रूल निकाला था कि कितना सारे कंपनीज को हाफ पेमेंट जितना देना जरूरी है अपने एम्प्लॉयज को। देख बहुत सारे कंपनीज ने किए भी और बहुत सारे कंपनीज ने नहीं की,
Exactly.
बिकॉज वो चीज स्ट्रिक्ट मैंडेटरी नहीं बनाया गया था भाई।
Exactly.
कंपनी को ऑप्शन दिया गया था कि हाँ तुम पे कर सकते हो, तुमको पे करना है ऐसा। गवर्नमेंट ने कोई चीज, अगर गवर्नमेंट कोई चीज मैंडेटरी करती है, समझ रही है, मैं एक एग्जांपल बता देती हूँ कि जैसे कि कर्फ्यू, तो मेरे फ्लैट के बाहर पुलिस की जीप पड़ी होती है भाई, उसको मैंडेटरी बोलते, बात समझ रहा है। तो गवर्नमेंट को वस्तु मैंडेटरी करना आता है, नहीं आता ऐसा नहीं है।
Okay.
मैंडेटरी नहीं किया गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारे कंपनीज के ऐसा पेमेंट करने के लिए। ये माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स के ऊपर भी गवर्नमेंट ने रूल्स निकाले थे कि सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्कर्स उसको यहाँ पे पकड़ के रह पाए, उसके लिए पेमेंट करेगी, वो भी नहीं किया, किसी ने नहीं किया। मैं
But
किसी को फॉल्ट एट फॉल्ट नहीं मान रहा, ना ही कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को बोल रहा हूँ, ना ही कंपनी वाले को बोल रहा हूँ। पर ब्रो ये सब चीज के लिए अगर एक चीज एक टाइप ऑफ बजट बनाए या ऐसा कुछ करे, तो लॉकडाउन भी वेल प्लान जाएगा और अनलॉक भी उसके हिसाब से प्लान करके निकाला जाए, तो आई थिंक मे बी सक्सेसफुल रहे, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक्सपीरियंस है पिछली बार की गलतियों से।
I that is a valid point. I'm not going to contest that. But here's what I'm thinking of. When you say stuff
हम्म
like that, where would the
हम्म
money come from? You know why? Like, obviously, every business, every corporation's motto is to make as money as possible because that's what a business is.
हम्म
Where will the money come from if they're not even able to see? Most companies reported a loss last year, right? Most
हम्म
companies did
हम्म
because they didn't have the
हम्म
money to fund for anything, even for their own self, right? Hence, okay, I'm not saying that's the reason why they didn't pay their employees, also because greed, एक चीज होता है.
हम्म
But but when you put a country in a lockdown, like these migrant workers which I was talking about, or they account for 10% of the GDP of India, right? When those works are stopped, when
हम्म
mining, when construction, when
हम्म
any of such blue collar jobs, which are very essential for people
हम्म
everywhere in this country, all those are stopped. Money stops flowing in, and if money flows in, that leads to inflation. And if it leads to inflation, the money you have is worth nothing, and that is something. And it's a see that's what I also want to put forward for the people watching is there is no one right answer for this. Honestly, it's like we have to take a
True.
decision and we have to live with those consequences, and whatever those consequences.
Exactly. We have to live with those consequences.
And
There's no right and wrong. We are just to choose this or that. That's it.
exactly.
There's no right or wrong in that.
So like Srijit laid out the points for what happens and how we could make it better lockdown than last time. I'm just laying out the points of like, hey, no matter what we do, we are in a dicey situation here, and
Apocalypse.
but so and as always, like I always come back to the point of like, how can we make this better? Well, vaccination is one of them, and which is certainly one thing which we want to talk about. For people saying I don't want to get vaccinated because I'm scared, don't say that. Please do get
Don't say that.
vaccinated. Seriously,
Seriously, man, it's nothing's gonna happen to you, bro.
exactly.
कुछ
Now
भी नहीं होगा.
I'm actually happy about a country with this in the sense like we've been able to vaccinate almost 120 million people. That's a huge number,
Hmm.
right? But the
And we have been sending to other countries too, right?
exactly we've been
That's a very,
exporting them
very, very seriously good job, man.
exactly. But we are also facing shortages. But the thing is, even though we vaccinated so many people, our country's population is so high that we're only able to vaccinate 1.1% of our population. So
या कब
That's it.
खत्म होगा नहीं भाई।
I don't know.
और तू सोच ये वैक्सीनेशन का प्रोसेस खत्म होते होते तो 1 मिलियन बच्चे तो और पैदा हो गए। अरे भाई साहब प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर्स है ना हमारे यहाँ पे तो सब।
You can actually track the number of vaccinations being done by each country, number of cases in each country, number of deaths in each country. There's this wonderful page by Financial Times where you can actually go check it out, and it's being updated every 1 or 2 days. So the last update was April 16, and those are the places from where I'm talking about these stats from, this vaccination and the total number of cases. Go check that out. You'll understand the severity of the situation in India because a lot of other countries aren't vaccinating as fast as us. And a lot of other countries don't get cases, actually getting cases more than us, but it's relative to their population, they can sustain it. Our
Yes,
population is not something which is sustainable.
population is a big problem. We don't realize that shit, you know?
Exactly.
Actually.
And
वो कितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली किसी को नहीं पता।
and it's again like we've been saying since beginning, it comes down to us, dude. Like, how well do you take care of yourself? Do you even care that there's a pandemic outside? And do you care for that person sitting or standing next to you? Do
हाँ
keep
मतलब
that
सही
in
में
mind.
खुद के बारे में फर्क नहीं पड़ता तो चलेगा, तू जाके मर ब्रो, पर तू तेरे साथ में किसी को मत लेके जा, समझ रहा है? तेरे को जाके कूद मर जो करने कर, पर तेरे घर वाले भी है ना भाई, घर वालों को मत लेके जा भाई, बात वो है, समझ रहे हो?
And one more thing about the vaccine, like the reports that which say that there are blood clots forming in the European Union, UK, or US, it's true, but that is a 1 in a million chance.
रोड पे जा एक्सीडेंट्स उससे ज्यादा हो जाएगा।
You ride a bike, there's much more chance you get hit.
Chances to die.
Exactly. So, and the blood clots are not, they're not dying. Yeah, they are severe conditions, but that's 1 in a million, and they are from vaccines which are not found in India. So there is no reason why you guys should not get vaccinated. That's it.
Yes,
That's the final point. This is like something we all have to agree on. Okay, if we ever going to beat this. But in terms of the lockdown, any final comments in terms of the lockdown?
नहीं, बस मैं मेरे अपने जगह पे, तू अपने जगह पे रह। चाहिए मेरे को लॉकडाउन, चाहिए।
So again, my final comments on this is, my final thoughts on this is like, having a lockdown might help. Yes, I would agree that it slows down cases, but for me, the best analogy I can give is like it's a pressure cooker. The pressure will keep on building. You're just putting a lid on top of it. Once you have to, because you have to unlock it at some point. You can't keep it under lockdown forever. This is in the 1500s in the UK where you could do that shit. And once you unlock, the cases will explode. How do you manage? How do you think you're going to deal with that? So if you're going to go to a lockdown, like hopefully it's better planned. If not,
At
well
least
then
plan. Yes.
Yeah.
वही 1 साल था हमारे पास प्लान करने का, बहुत टाइम था वो, हैं?
पर तेरे को लगता है,
तो सारे इंजीनियरिंग करने वाले डॉक्टर लोग सब,
पर तेरे को लगता है, I just ask simple question. Do you think?
क्या पता देख उसके भी कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस तो होंगे। देख मैं ऐसा नहीं बोला परफेक्टली प्लान्ड जाएगा, बट तू भी कोशिश करना तो नहीं छोड़ सकते ना ब्रो, कोशिश करना तो नहीं छोड़ सकते।
So the final word from us is we have to try as people, we have to try as like an individual, we have to somehow try to overcome this, and dude, keep on talking about this. Don't ignore this, or shed some light and carry on with your life. Like this, the reason why we also did this episode right now is because people are not talking or giving enough shit about this pandemic.
Yes.
That's actually more scary than the pandemic.
Yes. गवर्नमेंट कितना भी सीरियस लेके फायदा नहीं है, तुझे पता होना चाहिए ना भाई किसी में कितना गंदा।
Exactly. So I hope you think I was right or he was right. Actually, it doesn't matter what we think. What do you guys think? Actually, that's what matters, because you're the ones at the end of the day, and even including us, got to live in this city, in this world, in this country. So yeah, hopefully be safe, all of you, again from our side, and hopefully, man, we
go get vaccinated
and go fucking get go get vaccinated.
Please,
as much as you can.
Please, जा भाई, जा please, जा, समझ मेरी बात को, जा तू।
हो गया, ठीक है,
हो गया,
all right then. That's it from our side this time. That's it from our side this time. And Srijit, thanks man, again, couldn't have done this shit without you. Like as always, we'll see you soon. All right, we're coming back, man. Like I said, we have so many topics to talk about. A lot has happened in the past few months, and well, hey, with this, we'll keep on rolling. See you next time. Bye-bye.
धैर्य रखिए, बाय।